Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have another Magnum ice cream flavor to taste. And this one is called Double Chocolate Hazelnut. It already sounds yummy. I love hazelnuts and nuts in general with the ice cream. They fit really well. And it's made by none other than Unilever Corporation. You all know this. The best company for ice cream, Unilever. Okay. Here are the values if you want to check it out. Pause the video. And what else they have here? Rich sauce cracking chocolate, it says here. Okay, enough talk. Let's open it up. Ooh. It's golden inside. Let's just appreciate the packaging, how it looks like. Like this design, it's really cool. And when you open it from the inside, it's like golden, it's shining. Nice. I smell it already. The Magnum, the classic chocolate flavor. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The box is empty. This is what I was talking about, look. It's like a golden, very nice. Let's put it on the side. The smell, it's perfect. It's classic Magnum chocolate flavor smell. Let's go ahead and take a bite. What is this? I was expecting it to be vanilla inside, but it looks like it's chocolate. It's brown. The cover, 5 out of 5. I really love the Magnum chocolate. Let's go ahead and take a bite of the actual ice cream. Oh, it's too cold, my teeth. I need to brush my teeth more. I have this, what do you call it in English? I don't know. It's hurting my teeth, it's too cold. Please book a time for me to the dentist. But yeah, the ice cream is really good. But it's different from the other Magnums. I have never tasted Magnum dark chocolate version inside. Usually it's always vanilla with something else, but this one is like chocolate ice cream flavor, so it's new to me. And it seems like on the side between the layer and the ice cream they also have like this flowing sauce. Yeah, it said it had the flowing sauce. Rich sauce, yeah, that's what it says here. So they have some kind of chocolate sauce in between. This is really unique. To be honest, I like the vanilla Magnum much more than this chocolate Magnum. Like, I wasn't expecting this. Also, where are the hazelnuts? It says hazelnut. Where are they? I don't see any of them here. Do you think they put hazelnuts like inside the ice cream flavor? Because this chocolate tastes kind of off. I don't know what it is. Chocolate is flowing on the side. See? Very nice. You see over here the chocolate is coming between the layer and the ice cream. They actually have 2 layers of chocolate here. It's one dark chocolate and one milk chocolate. This is like much more less sweet than the other Magnums because it's dark chocolate. It's not sweet like vanilla. The layer is dark chocolate too, and the outer layer, it's already more dark chocolate than the other Magnums. I gotta say, I don't like this as much as the other Magnums I have tasted on the channel. It's not even close to the same level of the flavor. But it's good. Like objectively, it's good. But I was expecting to get the 10 out of 10 Magnum experience. But I feel like I didn't get it here. I feel like this is only like basic ice cream, like 8 out of 10. Personally, I think it's 8 out of 10. However, if you like dark chocolate, I think this will be like 10 out of 10 for you. But for me, this is only 8 out of 10 because it just doesn't taste as good as the other Magnums, like the double gold billionaire or the strawberry thing. It's just not there. I don't like it as much. Also, where are the hazelnuts? I was expecting them to have hazelnuts inside the cover, like the other Magnums have, between the chocolate. But they didn't have it here. So from me, it's gonna be 8 out of 10. It's a good ice cream, but not the best from Magnum. Please send a comment if you have tasted the ice cream and what did you think about it. And also make sure to like the video, subscribe, and follow me on the social medias, links below. Thank you for watching, and I will finish this ice cream now. Thank you Unilever for the another ice cream experience. Wasn't so good this time, but I will wait for the next time. It's gonna be better. Thank you. Magnum double chocolate hazelnut, 8 out of 10.